Homeotic genes. So we were already studied about maternal effect gene, gap gene, pair rule gene, and segment polarity gene. Today we have to discuss about the homeotic genes. Homeotic genes. And the pattern of homeotic gene expression. After the segmentation boundaries established, the segmentation genes that establish the boundaries of the segments, the characteristic structures of each segments are specified. Then this specification is accomplished by the specification as well as the formation of the structures or organs that are accomplished by homeotic selector gene. And this special kind of genes that are located in chromosome 3 of Drosophila. Now we are studying the development of Drosophila. So the chromosome number 3, that is the location of homeotic selector gene in Drosophila. And here the homeotic selector gene, a set of genes are there, and all these are classified as 2. And these are located in 2 separate regions and together known as homeotic genes. And this homeotic genes is classified as antennapedia complex and bithorax complex. So the set of homeotic selector genes together classified as 2 regions, or these are on the basis of the location of these genes, homeotic genes, they are divided as antennapedia complex and bithorax complex. See the antennapedia. We can represent this antennapedia complex with certain letters ANTC, that means the antennapedia complex, and BXC meant for the bithorax complex. See the antennapedia complex that is largely responsible for segmental identity in the head and anterior thorax. So these are the 2 sets of genes, and these genes can determine the specification of certain regions of the body, especially the antennapedia complex that would be responsible for the formation of head and anterior thorax. That means the thorax, the posterior region of the thorax is remaining, and this is carried out by the next complex, that is bithorax complex. In addition to that, the abdominal region, that is also the responsibility of the bithorax complex. See the bithorax complex, BXC, is responsible for segmental identity in the posterior thorax and the abdomen. So here you can see the structure. This is in the figure. See, this is the head region. Then T1, T2 and T3, these are the 3 thoracic segments, and from A1 to A8. And these are the abdominal segments. And we know the thoracic segments. Here the legs as well as the wings are located. First, second and third thoracic regions. And the remaining abdominal segments are also there, but these thoracic segments carry all these structures. Then see what are the different types of genes present in the first complex, that is the antennapedia complex. First one is called labial, and it is represented with LAB. Then another one is antennapedia, ANTP, sex comp reduced, SCR, deformed DFD, and proboscipedia. These are the 5 kinds of antennapedia complex. And we know the antennapedia complex that is responsible for the formation of the head segment as well as the anterior portion of the thoracic segments. See the labial gene that is responsible for the formation of head region. Another one is deformed. This also responsible for the formation of the head segment. In the antennapedia as well as the sex comb reduced, these are the specific genes for the formation of thoracic, anterior thoracic segments. And one more is here, proboscipedia. This is only act at the time of adulthood. Adulthood മാത്രമാണ് ഈ proboscipedia എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് വരും. And also this is one of the part of the head region. And 3 different genes, they are responsible for the formation of head regions or the structures present on the head. And if the proboscipedia is absent, what will be happen? The labial pulp of mouth transformed to leg. So that means an abnormal adult will form. Instead of the labial pulp, a leg will form at the head region. See, this is the lab, and you can identify this structure similar to the lab on this adult fly. The same color. This is the lab. The gene, the expression of the gene is that will express. That means the lab gene expression we can see at this region. Then the proboscipedia. See, this is the expression of the proboscipedia at the head region. Then deformed, violet color, that is again in head region. Here we can see the head region, labial as well as the deformed are responsible for the formation of the head segments. And another one is sex comb reduced. That is the thoracic region. And this is the segment, or this is the structure arised from the thoracic segment. And another one is antennapedia. Another one, thoracic segment. See, all these are the coloration. Here we can see the coloration, and that is the expression of the antennapedia gene. Similarly, the bithorax complex, that is also composed of 3 different kinds of genes and named as ultrabithorax, UBX, and this is 3rd thoracic segment. So that means this is stimulated the formation of the 3rd thoracic segment. The first 2 anterior thoracic segments are formed because of the antennapedia complex. Antennapedia and the sex comb reduced both together make the anterior 2 thoracic segments, whereas the 3rd thoracic segment is formed because of the ultrabithorax. That is another one set, that is the gene is come under another one class that's called the bithorax complex. Another 2 genes are also present in bithorax complex. They are abdominal A and abdominal B, and the representation ABDA and ABDB. And the abdominal segment means this is the segment, the genes are stimulate, or these genes can express the structures in abdominal segments. Abdominal segments are produced because of the abdominal A and abdominal B. These are the 8 different kinds of genes present in homeotic selector gene, and these are come under 2 classes or 2 groups, and also it is located in 2 regions, first and second region, and it is called antennapedia complex and bithorax complex. See, This is the early stage of development, or the after the segment polarity gene, the expression of the segment polarity gene completed, the different types of homeotic selector gene start to act at this region, and the result of the activity of all these 8 genes produces the different structures on different segment from the anterior to the posterior, means from the head to the abdominal last segment of the abdominal region. And here you can see the different stages of the development, how these different genes are acting upon different areas, and this is represented with different coloration. So you can see the different types of development and the area of the development of different structures. Please see the structure, the different structures or the different figures present on this slide is also very helpful for the development as well as the expression of the homeotic selector gene. See, the homeotic complex. We already explained something about the homeotic complex and the different types of genes and their expressions. Here the homeotic complex chromosome region contain both antennapedia complex and bithorax complex, together known as homeotic complex. These genes are also responsible for the specification of body parts of the fly. Then see, what is homeotic mutant? Means if the genes are absent or deformed, that may lead to the abnormality of the fly, or that may lead to the abnormal development of the fly. Mutation of these genes leads to bizarre phenotype, deformed phenotype, and the organism is called homeotic mutant. If the mutation is because of the homeotic selector gene, the mutant adult form is called homeotic mutant. Example, if the bithorax is deleted, this is ultra bithorax, that is the first bithorax complex, the genes of in the bithorax complex, the ultra bithorax, and this is for the formation of the third thoracic segment. If it is absent, ultra bithorax is absent, the third thoracic segment becomes transformed into another thoracic segment, means second or the first, instead of the formation of halters. That means the halters are produced from the third thoracic segment in addition to the third set of leg. So that means this segment, the deformed segment, also can synthesize one more leg, but the halters becomes absent. That will be the result of the mutation of this ultra bithorax gene in the homeotic selector gene. A fly with the 4 wing, that will be the result of the absence of the UBX. Instead of halters, what will be formed? The wings also formed at this region. Did you get the meaning? Ultra bithorax is absent. The third thoracic segment, that is the region of formation of the third set of leg as well as the halters. If the ultra bithorax is absent, the second or the first, or we can specifically can say that the second segment will formed at the place of the third segment. The second segment, the duty or the structures formed from the second segment is the legs and wings. So instead of the legs and halters in the third segment, here also produce the legs and wings. That means the 3 sets of legs, that is normal, but the wings are more because of the expression of the second thoracic segment at the place of this third segment, and it will result the fly with 4 wings. See, similarly, antennapedia, if it is absent, antennae produced instead of the leg position. Antennapedia, what is the function of the antennapedia? Antennapedia is responsible for the formation of the thoracic segment. If it is absent, antennapedia is absent, the antennae will formed at the place of this region. And this is the result of the mutation of the homeotic selector gene. Then we have to go through the initializing the pattern of homeotic gene expression. How this homeotic genes start to express. And we know each and every genes are stimulated by the previous genes, the expression of the previous gene, the production of the protein of the previous genes. Similarly, the initial domain of homeotic gene expression, that is influenced by the gap gene as well as the pair rule gene. Then the bithorax activated by hunchback protein, and also the antennapedia is activated by Kruppel gene. Bithorax is by a gap gene, that is hunchback protein, and another one antennapedia is also because of the gap gene, specifically called Kruppel gene. So this is the pattern of initialization of the homeotic selector gene. The activity of the homeotic selector gene is started with the stimulation of the previous genes like the gap gene and pair rule gene. Then how this homeotic gene maintain their expression, maintaining the pattern of homeotic gene expression. Expression of the homeotic gene in a dynamic process, that is a dynamic process. Antennapedia gene initially expressed in parasegment 4, then soon appear in 5. Means antennapedia gene, first the expression or the activity of the antennapedia, that is first start at the segment 4th parasegment. Soon after the expression start at the 4th segment, 4th parasegment, from there it start to appear in the 5th segment. As the germ band expands, antennapedia expression is seen in the presumptive neural tube. As the germ band expand, means the development is in progress, what will happen? The antennapedia expression, that is also start to develop, or it also progressing and it towards the neural tube, presumptive neural tube. The expression is also seen up to all these regions, neural tube region also. And the starting position or the starting region is the 4th parasegment, then go towards the 5th segment, and then it extended to the neural tube. Antennapedia, the expression negatively regulated by all the homeotic gene products expressed posteriorly to it. Means antennapedia expressions negatively regulated by all the homeotic gene expressed posterior to it. പോസ്റ്റീരിയറിലുള്ള എല്ലാ ജീനുകളും ആന്റിനാപീഡിയ എന്ന് പറയുന്നതിന് ആന്റീരിയർ റീജിയനിൽ അത് ആക്ട് ചെയ്താൽ മതി അല്ലേ, ബാക്കിയുള്ള സ്ഥലങ്ങളിലേക്ക് പോയാൽ അത് സപ്രസ് ചെയ്ത് വെക്കും. Other words, bithorax complex genes repress the antennapedia at the posterior region. Bithorax complex that can express the posterior region of the or third segment of the thoracic region as well as the abdominal region. So like the caudal nanos etc. at the earlier time, the maternal effect gene, they also suppress the activity of the bithorax, hunchback etc. at the posterior region. Similarly, in this condition also the bithorax that suppresses the expression of the antennapedia complex, means the 5 different types of genes expression that are limited or that are suppressed by the bithorax at the posterior region. Once the homeotic gene expression stabilized, they are locked. If the 8 different kinds of genes are located in different segments, parasegments, etc., from head to the abdominal, last segment of the abdominal region, if they start to express and gradually they stabilized and finally it locked, and there is no possibility of the expression of these genes in different segments. They are locked at each and every segments. The repression of homeotic genes appears to be maintained by the polycomb family of proteins. Repression of homeotic genes appears to be maintained. The repression is maintained by a set of protein that is called polycomb family of proteins, while the active chromatin conformation appears to be maintained by trithorax protein. So see, different types of proteins. Always we know the protein is formed by or it is produced by the particular gene. Anyway, the protein produced by the genes, that is repress or suppress or maintain the activity of the homeotic selector gene at each and every segments. See, the homeotic genes in a normal fly, the different structures we can see at the outer region of the fly. On the head, thorax and the abdominal region. The structures, different structures are legs, wings, antennae. All these are formed at different segments. And this segment or this formation, the development, that requires the action of homeotic genes. See, the Ed Lewis, the scientist who discovered the homeotic mutant flies in which structures characteristic of one part of the embryo are found at some other location. ഒരു ഫ്ലൈയുടെ മ്യൂട്ടേഷൻ എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ ഫ്ലൈ ഇല്ലാതെ ആയി പോകത്തില്ല. ഫ്ലൈ ഉണ്ട്, പക്ഷേ അതിൻ്റെ ചില സ്ട്രക്ചേഴ്സ് കാല് വരേണ്ടടുത്ത് അവിടെ വരുന്നത് ചിലപ്പോൾ അതിൻ്റെ ബാലൻസേഴ്സ് ആയിരിക്കും, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ അതിൻ്റെ ആൻറ്റിന ആയിരിക്കും വരുന്നത്. അതുപോലെ ആൻറ്റിന വരേണ്ടടുത്ത് ചിലപ്പോൾ ഒരു കാല് കയറി വരും എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഹെഡ് റീജിയനിൽ ഹെഡിന്റെ സ്ട്രക്ചേഴ്സ് വരുന്ന ഭാഗത്ത് ആൻറ്റിനയ്ക്ക് പകരം അവിടെ ഒരു കാല് വന്നു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ എന്തായിരിക്കും? ഒരു അബ്നോർമൽ ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഇൻഡിവിജ്വൽ ആയിരിക്കും അവിടെ ഫോം ചെയ്യുന്നത്. എന്താണ് ഹോമിയോട്ടിക് മ്യൂട്ടന്റ് എന്ന് നമ്മൾ നേരത്തെ പറഞ്ഞു. See, what is homeotic mutation? Such as antennapedia cause a misplacement of structures. Antennapedia, if misplaced certain structures, യഥാർത്ഥത്തിൽ വരേണ്ടടുത്തല്ല, അല്ലാത്ത ചില സ്ഥലത്ത് കൊണ്ടുപോയി. These two scanning electron micrographs shows fly heads. On the left, it is the wild type. All the structures are at the specific region. This is a normal fly, but here we can see the fly with the legs are on the head region instead of the antenna. The legs are formed on the head region. This is one of the homeotic mutant form. Then see, homeotic genes encode transcription factors that control the expression of genes responsible for particular anatomical structures such as wings, legs, and antennae. Then see, the homeotic genes include different types of homeotic genes. They include 180 nucleotide sequences. One gene is composed of 180 nucleotide sequences, and this is called homeobox. It is very important. Homeobox is the term, it is very important. That is, a homeotic gene is composed of 180 nucleotide sequence is called homeobox. Homeobox means 180 nucleotide sequence of a homeotic gene. Homeotic gene in 180 nucleotide sequence ulla oru box aanu allengi oru set aanu. Adineyanu homeo box ennu parayunnathu. And 180 nucleotide sequence scans produce or represent 60 different amino acids too. And this is called homeodomain. This is called homeodomain. The homeodomain is involved in DNA binding, and this DNA homeodomain is responsible for the synthesis of different types of protein. What is the relation between the 180 homeobox and 60 amino acid homeodomain? What is the relation? How many triplet codons are present in the 180 nucleotide sequence? A triplet codon is necessary for representing one amino acid. In that way, 180 divided by 3 means 60. That means a 60 amino acid is produced because of 180 nucleotide sequence. And that type of 180 nucleotide sequence present in a homeotic gene is called homeobox, and the similar amino acid domain or the amino acid sequence, that is called homeodomain.